it's your girl Fabulous Nappy, and I'm back with another video. Thank you for tuning in. If it's your first time on my channel, please be sure to hit that subscribe button to subscribe to the channel, and also hit the bell right beside it to turn on your post notifications so that each time I upload a new video, you will be notified and can come and watch. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you for tuning in again. You're the real one. Okay guys, so how are you all doing? How is your day, or how have your days been? Let me know all of that in the comment section. In today's video, as you can tell from the title, I will be showing you guys how to install a headband wig. Unlike lace frontals, it doesn't need that much work. Okay, so how much work you put in depends on you. If you don't already know how to make a headband wig, then please be sure to click this icon here to check the videos out. And also I'm gonna leave the links to the videos down in the description box so you can check it at the end of this video. Okay, so just open the description box, check down, scroll down, and you're gonna see the links to the videos there. Okay, so I'm just gonna get right into it. In today's video, what we're gonna be needing to pull out the loop is a brush, either one. I'll be using this one, but if you can use a toothbrush as well. Okay, still gonna do the job well. I'll also be using my Gorilla Snot Gel, and I'm gonna be needing a head scarf to lay everything down, and of course you're gonna be needing your wigs. Okay, so you're gonna be needing your wigs and a headband. Okay, it's a headband wig, so you need a headband. Okay, I think that's just about it. I'm just gonna get right into it to show you guys how I do that. Okay, what I like to do is to go in with a brush. This is a regular shoe brush, but I like this one because it's soft. So if you have any brush with soft bristles, you can use it. This one is a bit hard, so this is better for when you want to do a slick down. But for this, I'm going to use this, or you can just use your regular toothbrush. Anyone will do. Okay, so I'm just going to go in and brush everything down. And I have a mirror in front of me here, so if you see me looking down, that's what I'm looking at. Next, you want to go in with your cap. You're gonna need this too. So just your mesh cap, just put it over your head. Voila. Okay, so there are two ways to wear a headband wig. From here, you can just go straight and put on your wig. I'm just gonna do that so you can see. Okay, so I have two wigs, which I made myself. This one I did a revival of the curls. You can see they're popping. I did a video on that, so I'm gonna leave it up here, somewhere up here, and down in the description box as well, so be sure to check it out to see how I revive the curls. Okay, so from here, if you don't want any edges out, like you don't want to leave your edges out for no reason, then fine, you are good to go, girl. Okay, so I always like to start by wearing the headband first, and then you go in with your wig. Use the brush to lay down the flying wings at the top. And boom, you're good to go. That's it. Like it doesn't need nothing. Okay, so if you don't want to leave your edges out for any reason, you just gotta brush your baby hairs back, everything, and tuck it in, and see, you're good to go. Okay, so that is number one. That's the first way to wear it. For the second one, I'm just gonna take this off. Okay, so for the second way to wear it, that's where the edge control comes in. So what I do is take out the baby hairs that you want to lay. This one has to do with laying your baby hairs, okay? Do a little bit of swoopity swooping. Alright, so I brushed it all out. Now I'm gonna go in with my Gorilla Snot Gel and just lay the baby hairs. Just play around with it. Do whichever swooping you want to do. This hair here is too thick, so I'm gonna cut it down a bit. Mind you, you do not want to use too much of this because it turns to flake when you overdo it. Okay, so just little, okay, little goes a long way. Don't put too much of this. Alright, so my edges are done. I mumbled, jumbled, and pulled something off. Next off, you want to tie it down. That's the use of the scarf. To tie it down, to lay everything down in place. Okay, so it's tied. I'm gonna leave this to set for about 5 to 10 minutes, just for a couple of minutes, okay, so that everything just dries and lays down. At this point, if you want to, you can go ahead to do your makeup, or just do something else, or just stand and wait till it gets dry. Or as it's tied down, you can just use the blow dryer to just quicken the process. So I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna I'm just gonna hold on for a couple of minutes for it to lay, and then we'll continue from there. Okay, so it's been a couple of minutes, and I'm just gonna take it down. Okay, so as you can see got some flaking going on, and that is why you do not want to put too much of the gel. Okay, so I'm just gonna grab a damp cloth. It's got a little bit of water in it, so I'm just going to try to get rid of the flakiness. You want to do this carefully so that you don't ruin your good work. Alright, that looks better. Okay, my brows are messed up. I'm just gonna go in with my spoolie. Brush those babies up. And I trimmed my brows. I did a little bit of touch-up today, so if you want to see how to trim your brows to get them to look this good, then you definitely want to check out the link up here, or you check down in the description box. I'm going to leave it there as well. Make sure you check that video out and watch it to see how to groom your brows yourself at home. Okay, so now that it's done, just gonna adjust the cap. Ooh, I forgot to put some gel on this side to brush up this one. Oh well. Okay, so now I'm gonna grab my wig. Wow. There you have it. Headband wig is properly installed. I'm gonna try on the other one. Okay guys, so we have come to the end of this video. I hope you did enjoy it. If you did, or if you do, please be sure to give me a big thumbs up. Big one. Give me a thumbs up, like the video, leave a comment down below, subscribe to the channel, turn on your post notifications, share this video as well, because there might be someone out there who has a headband wig and doesn't know how to wear it. So just share this video to help them, and also for the sake of entertainment. Okay, so am I forgetting anything? No. All right, thank you guys for watching. Please also be sure to check out the other videos on how I did my brows, how I groomed and shaped my brows. Check out how I renewed my braids as well, the cornrows under this. Check that out. Check out how I did my headband wig, this one and the other one. Okay, and also check out how I revived the curls on this wig. Okay, I'm gonna leave all the links down in the description box, so be sure to check that out. Alright, so you've come to the end of this video. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.